I need a nigga who gonna swipe them visas, get your money, swipe, swipe, swipe. Google is made for you to search. It's free. It's free. Like, you don't have to, bitch, it's free. Like, once I paid for the ticket, I was broke, bitch. I was broke as fuck. So I'm like, what the fuck am I about to do?
She like when I rap, but love it when I sing to her. She can't get enough, and I can't get enough.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Lashaii, whatever you want to say, and I is back with another video. If you're a new viewer, what's good, what's poppin'? If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin' as well, bitch, okay? Okay. So y'all, today I am here for my broke hoes because, bitch, I was broke and I kind of still am, but it's to a certain extent. But I'm here to tell y'all how I started my business with no money. Alright, I had to make the money, but I ain't had no job is what I should say. So yeah, I ain't had no job. So this video is to help. I want this video to be useful for people that's trying to start their own business, already have their own business, but they want some points here and there. Or people that just like to watch these videos because, bitch, I don't judge. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys, you know, some of my experiences, what I did wrong, or just things of that nature and everything like that. If you guys want to know how I got to where I'm at right now, keep on watching. But before I get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and follow me on social media because why the fuck not, bitch? Alright y'all, so in the video, I'm going to tell y'all like coming up with the idea, the brand name, research. Big ass topic, research. Branding, make a budget, making the money, spending the money, LLC, your business license, your followers on your social media accounts. We're gonna get into all that. So if y'all want to know certain topics, make sure you're listening. When you're trying to start a business and you ain't got no money, it's gonna be rough, but you have to hustle. You have to make your money how you know best. Like I say that all the time. You don't have to have a lot, so just work with your budget, work with what you can make. Okay, so don't push it. Okay, push yourself, but don't push yourself too much where you feel like you're depressed or whatever case may be. You have to hustle to do anything in life that you really want to do. You cannot sit there and be given everything. You can't want a handout. You can't want everything given to you. You have to go out and do it on your own. So the simple fact of not having money, don't let that discourage you from not being able to do what you want to do. It's like 1,000 ways to make money. You have a car wash, food, little thing. Do anything, whatever you know how to do best. You work, you do what you gotta do, honey. Okay, okay. So if you guys don't know who I am Lashaii. I'm 19 years old. I started my business when I was 19. Yeah, I've been doing YouTube for like 2 years now, and I started doing YouTube with, like, you know, the makeup and all the basic shit. I was doing all that, and I felt like, I liked it and everything, but it just wasn't giving me, I guess, what I wanted. I can't really describe how I felt when I was doing it, but it was just something I felt like I could be doing something different. Start doing editing sessions because y'all know I like editing and stuff like that and film or whatever. So I found a software. I still do editing sessions. So I used to do one-on-one editing sessions, and it was for like $30 or something like that. And one girl I had an editing session with, she sat down with me and was talking to me, and she was like, girl, you need to charge people more because this is really, everyone likes to do YouTube but they don't know how to do it. Like, she was just really telling me like, bitch, you need to charge more. So I'm like, I don't really know. Like, you know, I was always doubting myself. I was always the type of bitch to doubt myself. So I listened to her, and I bumped my prices up, and my prices went up higher since then, obviously. So then I made it into an online editing session, so I don't have to be one-on-one or for followers that weren't in state or in the area, whatever the case may be. So I was trying to be more, you know, accessible to whoever needed something done. I remember I always had the idea to sell lashes, but I was just like, bitch, I don't know how to do that, so whatever. So that video I watched, I literally took notes on everything that girl was saying, and I was like, this is doable. I feel like I can do this, you know what I mean? So I was like, let me get myself together. Let me, you know, look at some vendors. So I got everything, got my samples and everything. And bitch, while I was driving one night, and I got a fucking speeding ticket, and that shit was $300. And I was like, and mind you, my two homegirls with me, and my other homegirl was like, we can all split it. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I'm like, still, where am I gonna get this money from? Because I still don't have a job at this time, and I'm like, I'm only making money off of doing editing sessions, and what else was I doing? I was doing something else. I can't remember what I was doing. Honestly, I don't think I was doing nothing else. I can't remember because I used to, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I really was like living off of just doing certain things because I wasn't gonna ask my parents for certain things, because my parents, I don't like when people can say, well, I did this for you, or throw it in my face. I don't like that. So I never would ask my parents for nothing. Just for a long ass time, my father would always tell me I don't do nothing with my life. and he would always repeatedly say it, and I'm just like, okay, like I heard you the first time, like, cause I graduated school 2017. I graduated last year, right? Yeah, I graduated 2017, and I didn't go to college, obviously. So, you know, every parent wants their child to go to college, but college wasn't for me. It still ain't for me. I'm still not going. So I had that set in my head. I was paying my phone bill. I was paying with my car. I was paying whatever you needed me to pay, and I'm just like, you still have something to say. So it was just I was very depressed. It was just horrible, bitch. It was horrible. I'm not gonna get into full detail because that's not what the video's about. I thought of the idea of doing the lashes. So when I got that ticket, I'm like, I'm stuck. I don't know what I'm about to do, how I'm about to pay for this, like how am I gonna start my lash line? You know what I mean? Once I paid for that ticket, I was broke, bitch. I was broke as fuck. So I'm like, what the fuck am I about to do? So I just stopped worrying about the lashes for a little while. Like I honestly forgot about the lashes. To be honest with you, I was just on YouTube and I saw another lash video. I'm like, oh bitch, I was supposed to be selling lashes. I really forgot I was supposed to be selling lashes because I was broke at the moment. Okay, so let me tell you guys, like now I can tell you guys how to, you know, start and everything like that. I just gave you guys my backstory, and I'm gonna give you guys a little bit more of my experiences as I'm talking to you guys about how to start your own business. You have to think of an idea, which such as, what are you trying to sell? What do you want to sell? You know what I mean? So what I wanted to sell, lashes. So I had to think of a brand name. That's the next thing you got to think about, is a brand name. What do you want to have? What do you want to call your product? Because you don't want to call your lashes lashes. It's like naming a dog. But so I had to think of a brand name. I came up with Chloe Ryan. Yeah, you come up with a lot of things. You gotta sit down and think about what you want to name, what you want it to be. You know what I mean? So yeah, I thought of Chloe Ryan. Obviously, I didn't go with Chloe Ryan, but Ryan is my sister's middle name, and Chloe is my dog's name, Chloe. When you start a business, you want to get a notebook. I had this notebook for forever. This was like a modeling thing I used to do, and I was trying to be a model, bitch. Don't, girl, bye. But so yeah, I had a notebook, and I literally wrote everything in here. Everything's in here. So this first page is my profit or whatever, like how much I had to spend on certain things. I was thinking of names. I had Lashaii Lash Company, Kylashaiibooking Lashes. Here's my old notebook. Here's my new notebook. So don't mind this. I messed it up. But yeah, so you need to have a notebook. You want to write stuff down. You can always go back to it. I literally go back to my notebook every day. I go on my notebook daily, and I'm probably in it all day writing stuff down, different ideas. So you want to always write stuff down because you don't want to forget, or you feel more motivated when you write stuff down. Next you got to think about is your logo. Do you want your logo to just be words? You want your logo to be pictures? You want your logo to have your name? What you want your logo to be? I can give you guys the girl that I know that does logos. I'll put her Instagram at the bottom. So if you need a logo made, you can honestly look up or just post on your Instagram who does logos. And a lot of people will say me or this girl, this boy. He'll tell you. So the next thing you need to do is research. Research, bitch. Like Google. Google has everything. Like I'm telling y'all. When I say, I don't be saying it to be smart or nothing, but I'm dead ass serious. Google has everything that you need. Like people don't understand. Google is made for you to search. It's free. It's free. Like you don't have to, bitch, it's free. Like, so like you can do Instagram, you can search up hashtags. Just do your research. Like literally, it takes 2 seconds to type up. Just like you search a song lyric. Search what you're looking for. Don't always want a handout. So once you think of your idea, your brand name, your logo, you researched everything, you gotta make a budget. So how am I now? Once you make your budget, make your money. Don't make your money first, because then you're gonna feel obligated to only spend that much. But when you have a budget and you know how much you need to spend, you're gonna force yourself to make that much. Like right now, for my new budget, bitch, that shit's expensive as fuck. But I have it in my head, I know how much I have to spend, and I'm gonna make that. Figure out a way as to how to save your money and or how to make money. So I made money by me doing my intros. I did a sale on intros, and I was able, thank God, I was able to make over $700 with just intros. And that was literally I made that much in a week and a half, probably. I want to say I made that much. Make money how you know best. Like if you know how to do certain things, you know how to paint, you know how to draw, you know how to cook, sell plates, like we'll literally do whatever you can. It's called hustling. You make money how you know how to make money. I knew how to film, edit, and everything, and bitch, that's what I did, and I made money. Spending the money. Okay, when I say scared money don't make no money. Meek Mill said that shit. When he said that, he meant like, yes, spend it, because literally if you hold your money, like I had to learn, like if I'm just holding my money, it's not doing nothing for me. I have to spend it on what I'm trying to do. You know what I mean? So invest in yourself. I can say, like right now with my new launch and everything that I'm about to do, I spend money daily or every other day on my business, just my business. So invest in yourself. You're gonna feel more motivated once you order something, because you're waiting for it to come in the mail. You want to see what it looks like. You want to tell people. You know what I mean? So yeah, spending your money. Make sure you're spending it wisely and invest in your business when you're spending it. Make a budget as to, this is my spending money for myself and this is my spending money for my business. So when it comes to the LLC and everything like that, do not buy your LLC. Do not purchase the LLC. Don't do any of that. Don't buy a business license, all that stuff. I watched the video and the girl said to not get it right away, and I learned why not to get it right away. Because I didn't already change my brand name and everything, I would have got my LLC for just Lashaii Lashes. So you don't have to get all of that right away. You can see if you like being an entrepreneur. You can see how your business is going and everything like that. Because that's like $300 plus just to get a license and all that other stuff. So don't waste your money on that. Worry about starting the business and seeing how, you know, everything works out first, because you don't want to spend that much and then you don't even continue the business. Now you done wasted $300 plus on something that you don't want to do no more. You know what I mean? I do know some brands or some wholesalers, they make you have to have like a business license in order to purchase from them. I do know that. Go find another one. Go find another vendor, because I'm pretty sure you can go find another vendor that's not gonna make you spend that much money. Google, literally just type in, if you want to sell hair vendors. Scroll through all them bitches. Scroll through all the options they're giving you, because it's a lot. Get a WhatsApp so you can contact the people that's in China or wherever they may be. You can get in contact with them. If you don't text them, call them, send them pictures, or whatever the case may be, you can do that with WhatsApp. So make a WhatsApp account. You good, okay? So when it comes to branding your business, such as business cards, social media posts, flyers, promo videos, websites, social media page, networking, you have to put a lot into your branding. Branding is everything, literally. It's someone like your packaging. Bitch, my packaging, I put a lot into it because I want my brand to look right. I want it to look a certain way, so people be like, oh my god, who's that? You know, they want to know more about it. So you want to do the top shit. You want to make sure your shit's popping regardless of what you're selling. You could be selling hair. I always tell people they want to sell hair. Okay, yes, a lot of people sell hair, but you can do something else in the hair industry to make it pop. Have your packaging a little bit different than the next bitch. Like literally, with Ming Lee, she have her Snob Life hair. Her hair comes in a damn Chinese fucking box, Chinese food box. Be creative, like literally, do not be basic. Being basic, yeah, you're gonna feel like, oh my god, yeah, everyone sells hair. Because you're being basic, don't be a basic ass bitch. That's all that's literally, do not be basic. Be something different. Make your shit stand out more than the next bitch next to you. Like, and then like a lot of people ask me, like when it comes to like your social media, like your followers and everything like that, to gain more followers, you literally have to be active. Simple as that. You have to post daily or every other day, whatever the case may be. You cannot slack at all. Because say one day, like me, one day one of my pictures went viral, like one of my pictures, and that's when I started gaining my followers, and it was like, now I feel obligated that I gotta keep posting my pictures, and you do. That's how you keep your viewer, you know, your profile visits going higher. You just gotta keep posting, like just post, and literally, just if no one sees the picture, bitch, don't delete it. I mean, if you don't get a lot of likes, don't delete it. It's still on your page, and when people come visit your page, they'll see it, and then you'll get likes here and there. Don't delete nothing just because you feel like, oh my god, no one liked my picture or whatever. No, bitch, leave it up there, okay? Leave it up there. Don't feel like you can't do something because you don't have a lot of followers or you don't have the clout, whatever the case may be. I'm trying to think like what really went wrong. I can't think right now for some reason. I can't think of what went wrong, but a lot of things went wrong in my business, and it was like very discouraging to me. I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. I felt like I was stuck because I was spending so much money, and I was like, how am I gonna make it back? But eventually I started seeing money coming in, bitch, and I was like, ooh, okay. So I continued to do what I was doing, and I kind of felt like I was overwhelmed. I literally, when I tell y'all, when I was trying to make this money, because I didn't have no money, I was trying to make this money to start this shit. I was taking 3 Motrins a day. Every day I woke up, I took 3 Motrins because I was going to get a fucking headache, because I had to be on the computer every day to do those intros. I was getting intros daily, so I was like, how am I going to do this? You know what I mean? So I'm like, let me get some Motrin. Let me eat something. Let me sit here and do these intros and get my money. So I was hustling. I had really bad headaches because I was trying to make my money to be able to start my own business. And everything in life is not easy. So it's like, if you want something, bitch, you better go get it. Period.